What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today, I'm going to unbox and do a first impression of Xerjoff Uden. I've been after this fragrance for a long time, and finally, I have it. My first one, in case you're interested, was Xerjoff Renaissance. The next one I got was Torino 21. Absolutely loved this during the warmer months, and of course, during the cooler months, Tony Yomi is a beast. So let's quickly unbox Xerjoff Uden. So this is part of the Shooting Star collection, and from what I hear and I've seen people say is that there is an actual piece of a meteorite inside. I'm really curious to find out what it looks like. And if you're a first-time visitor on my channel, make sure you're subscribed because I do giveaways sometimes. You don't want to miss that opportunity. Woo! All right. Beautiful presentation, I must say. Like, Xerjoff presentation is like one of the best, if not the best. Really excited for this one. All right, so that's what the inside of the box looks like. I'll show everything during my full review, but of course, this is only my first impression. And for those of you looking at a Xerjoff box for the first time, this is what the inner box looks like. I'm gonna open it very carefully. Wow, look at that, untouched, beautiful stuff. So, I believe this little pouch or envelope here contains that little piece of meteorite. And wow, that's a piece of outer space right here in my hands. Hope it's not radioactive. And of course, they give you like a certificate of authenticity and where this meteorite was found. Beautiful stuff, great touch, perfectly suits the name or the series called Shooting Star. Truly matches it. Beautiful stuff. And if you will look inside, very nice, always top notch. And I believe there's a serial number. I don't know if you can see it, like it's like around there, right there in black. I believe that's the number of the particular bottle. So seems like they do have a limited run edition or whatever they call it, man. There's the beautiful bottle. So that's a 50 ml. Does not come in 100 ml. I would have bought it in 100 ml. And the reason why I got this was because of how beautiful and citrusy and aromatic everyone describes this to be. So let's find out, my friends. I don't have the notes in front of me right now, but I'm gonna just do a first impression. But I've been suffering from a very bad cold lately, so I hope I get the smell. Wow, wow stuff already. All right, here goes. Look at that atomizer. Shoots like a star. This is truly a hidden gem for sure. Smells so nice. Very aromatic. It's like full of flavors. Some citrusy components. There's a little bit of sharp edge, but it's not like it's not gonna hurt your senses. But kind of like a tad bit sharp, but some kind of a powdery, effervescent kind of feel. So the sharpness is gone right away. I believe that was the alcohol blast from the beginning. You know, like you shit it out, and then it's a bit of alcohol-y in the beginning. Some kind of a green undertone to it, and I somehow feel there's kind of like a smooth, woody vibe somewhere underneath. Of course, it's gonna take a while because I believe this is parfum concentration. So Uden is parfum concentration. It's gonna take a while to open up, but look at that. It left like patch. Wow. It's pretty loud. Mild yet loud, so it's like a loud projector for sure, because it's all over in the air. Like, even with my partially blocked nose, I can feel that. Lovely stuff. Very refreshing, very aromatic, full of flavors. It's like a whole different take on citruses and some greens, a tad bit woody vibe coming through, but of course it's gonna take a while, like I said. Another successful blind buy. This is Xerjoff Uden. My friends, if you are a fan of Xerjoff and if particularly of Uden, do let me know in the comments below your experience. How much performance do you get on an average? How many sprays do you do? This is definitely one of your beautiful white shirt, white polo day. High heat, humid. This thing is definitely gonna perform. I can tell right away. Just like how Torino 21 performs. This is like a monster beast on my skin. Lasts forever. I'm pretty sure Uden is gonna do the same. Beautiful stuff. Mm. Slightly changing now. So the whole effervescent, tad bit powdery green. It's very playful, very pleasant. Definitely. I mean, if you do have the funds, I did not buy it full retail, of course. I bought it from Fragrance by CA. I think I got it for what, 145, $146, a 50 ml. I would say that's a steal. Do yourself a favor, just sample this baby. If you don't want to buy it, sample it at least. It's a wonderful stuff. Is it a must-have? Is it a staple for summer? I mean, without any doubt. If you got the funds to spare, go for it, man. Do not delay any further. Like this is awesome. I loved it. Thank you for staying on my channel, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Take care, everybody.